It's not just about uploading videos to your TikTok account, but you need to check your analytics to check out how your video is performing. Let's do that right now. Choose any of your videos. Okay, right now I'm gonna pick this video right here. Then come to these three dots right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, come straight here to analytics. Click on that. Yep. Okay, guys, you need to know how your video is performing. It's not about just posting video, but you need to see, do people like it? Are they watching it to the end? You need to find out more data about your videos. From here you can see that it was watched 173 times, loved by 6 people, okay, 0 comments, okay, nobody shared it, and nobody saved it. That's this icon over here. So you see total play time. This is the amount of play time, the average watch time. Oh yeah, we can see it right here. That's 7.7. Then you can see watched full videos. Bam, 1.74%. Okay, well, we can do better. Reached audience 156. So you can now see the countries that your video have gone to and people saw it. Look at, people saw my video in Jamaica, South Africa. Look. Yeah, okay, sorry if I didn't pronounce that well. Mauritius and Nigeria and Georgia. Guys, you need to check out some of this data. So go right now and check out some of this data in your video. Hey, learn how to grow on TikTok. If you like this video, follow me for more.